Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week, we'll be taking a look at Overcast for iOS, a very popular third-party podcast player. Overcast is an incredibly powerful podcatcher with many incredible features, including the ability to strip silences from audio files in an effort to decrease the amount of time that it takes to listen to an episode without making the audio sound weird or distorted. We'll be diving deep into Overcast today via the iPhone interface, since that is historically the primary place that people download and listen to podcasts. We'll look at the numerous ways you can discover and download podcasts in Overcast. We'll show you how to navigate the well laid out Now Playing window, create playlists for the episodes that you want to listen to, upload files with Overcast Premium, set up Siri Shortcuts, and much more. Let's get started. First, we need to install Overcast from the App Store on our iOS device. From the App Store home screen, tap on the Search tab, and then type in Overcast. This top search result is the one that we're looking for, so tap on that. And this first option with the orange logo, this is the application we want. Tap on the download button to download it to your iOS device. Because I've downloaded this app previously, it's already associated with my iTunes account, so I have a download button instead of the get button that you would normally see here. Regardless, tap this button to download the application to your iOS device. Once Overcast is done downloading, tap the Open button. And the very first thing that we have to do when we open Overcast is either log in with an existing account or create a new account in order to store our episode information, our settings, and our recommendations when we go to add a new episode to Overcast. You don't have to use an email and password for your account for Overcast, but if you do, that will allow you to sign in on other devices and keep everything in sync. If you're just going to use it on this single device, like your iPhone though, you can tap Create New Account and you don't need to enter any personal information. If you've used Overcast on an iOS device before, you may see a pop-up which says that it found a sync account on one of your other devices. If you want to use that account, you can tap the Use Account button, but in this example, we're going to start from scratch. So tap Ignore, and then tap on Create New Account to go straight into the Overcast interface. Overcast will ask you if you want to allow it the ability to send you notifications when new episodes come in. You can customize this on a per podcast basis, but you do need to make sure if you want to receive any notifications that you tap Allow right here.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.